Hi guys. In the world of web hosting, there are a lot of options to choose from, especially paid ones. But what about those that are free? It seems like for every services that pop up, there always a free alternative. However, these free options often come with limitations that hold people back from using them. In today's video, we are going to look at three free web hosting platforms and find out what the catch is. Freehosting.com. Free hosting is the first option and is pretty straightforward. The onboarding process is hassle free, requiring no credit card information for verification. Accounts approval is swift, taking just around 10 minutes, so you can quickly dive into website development. This platform offers a basic control panel, 10 GB of storage, unlimited bandwidth. These features cater to the needs of most websites and integration with WordPress is seamless. User can even connect a custom domain at no additional cost. However, there is one notable drawback. You must own a legitimate domain name, subdomain, or free domain are not supported. While the performance is fine for a free hosting services, it lags behind paid alternative. Freehosting.com monetize through ad one selling services like mailbox and subdomain at relatively high price. So while it's free upfront and not everything is as great as it seems. Infinity Free. Next up is Infinity Free, which offer an enhanced free hosting experience with additional perks, free SSL certificates, access to cPanel, unlimited storage and bandwidth, and on domains and subdomain. The absence of credit card requirement and verification make the onboarding process simple. However, user must contend with pervasive errors across the control panel and website which impact the overall user experiences. Infinity free term of services also raise some concern as they reserve the right to sell user and visitor data for marketing purpose. While the hosting is free, you are potentially paying with your privacy. Triple Zero Web Host. Finally, we have Triple Zero Web Host free hosting option from the well-known Hostinger platform. It provides free hosting with a unique twist. Allow adult content, support free domain. However, it's come with a significant limitation: 300 MB of storage. While the automated tools simplify website setup, the smaller storage limit is a major drawback for anyone with large content need. Another concern is the lack of warning before exceeding storage limit, which can result in data loss. While Triple Zero Web Host might work for small websites, it's not ideal for complex one due to these storage constraints. Paid alternative hostinger. It's clear that free hosting platform comes with limitation or hidden costs, raising the question of whatever they truly offer value. Consider Hostinger as an alternative. Their feature packed premier plan, including free domain access certificate, WordPress integration, 100 GB of storage, all these start at just $2 per month. With their premier web hosting plan, Hostinger also offer an AI website builder alongside a modernized control panel that optimize for easy navigation. The only catch: to get these discounted price, you will need to click the link in the description below, which applies a site-wide discounted that is not available directly on their website. Final thought: free hosting platforms often fall short in areas like performance, storage, or privacy. Paid alternative like Hostinger provide better quality and non-invasive services at an affordable price. If you want to explore Hostinger, click the link in the description to see if it is suit your need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.